What is ECMAScript, also abbreviated to ES? ECMAScript is a scripting language specification. ECMAScript is standardized by two organizations, the ECMA International and the ISO. ECMA is a standards organization for information and communication systems, while the ISO is the International Organization for Standardization. They develop and publish international standards. JavaScript is based on ECMAScript standards. So also is ActionScript and JScript. ActionScript is the Flash scripting language. JScript was Microsoft's own scripting language. JavaScript remains the most popular implementation of ECMAScript. There are different editions or versions of ECMAScript. This is a simple table showing all the versions of ECMAScript. The table shows the version or edition, the official name, and date published. Each version release consists of new features. The first version or edition was in June 1997, and the current version as of when I'm presenting this video is ES.9, published in June 2018. As shown in the table, ES4 release was abandoned. What is ES.Next? ES.Next is a dynamic name that refers to whatever the next version is at the time of writing. ES.Next features are more commonly called proposals because, by definition, the specification has not been finalized yet. Actors and actresses are provided with a script to tell them what to do and when. In computer programming, the approach is similar in that computers are given instructions to perform certain tasks and when to do them. Just like you would normally read a book from left to right and from top to bottom, computers read instructions in a similar way. A scripting or script language is a programming language that supports scripts. They are also called high-level languages because they have been developed to be a little like a human language. Examples of scripting languages are JavaScript, Python, ASP, JSP, PHP, and Perl. A scripting language is an interpreted language. That means it relies on another program to translate what the instructions are before it can carry out the instructions. And the program is known as an interpreter. A typical example for, say, JavaScript is a JavaScript engine. JavaScript engine basically is an interpreter that understands and executes JavaScript instructions or code. You can normally find the JavaScript engines inside web browsers because that is the default hosting environment that your JavaScript is run or executed. An illustration shows how a script is executed. The source code contains the script, which when executed is then translated by an interpreter. For example, in a scripting language like JavaScript, the interpreter, which is a JavaScript engine, lives inside the client web browsers, that is your computer's web browser, and translates any JavaScript code before the output is displayed in the web browser.